Ever wonder what tools astronomers use to unravel the mysteries of the universe? Welcome to our journey into the cosmos with the Knowledge Education channel, where we introduce you to the tools of astronomy. This riveting study, which reveals celestial objects and phenomena, relies on a variety of gadgets. We'll be discussing the cornerstone of astronomy, the telescope, available in many shapes and sizes. Then we'll move on to the versatile binoculars, perfect for stargazing on the go. We'll also touch on the indispensable star charts or planispheres, which help us navigate the night sky. In this digital age, we cannot forget to mention the innovative astronomy apps, bringing the universe to our fingertips, and of course the trusty notebook and pen for recording observations and data. Now let's delve deeper into these tools and discover how they help us explore the cosmos. The telescope, a cornerstone of astronomy, comes in various shapes and sizes. This remarkable instrument, our window to the cosmos, grants us a glimpse into the vastness of space. Telescopes are our eyes, peering into the night sky, capturing light from distant stars, galaxies, and nebulae. They magnify the faint whispers of light from billions of miles away, allowing us to study celestial bodies in detail. From small, portable telescopes that one can easily set up in their backyard, to the colossal structures housed in observatories, the variety is astounding. Each serves a unique purpose, whether it's amateur stargazing or conducting advanced astronomical research. By bending and focusing light, telescopes render the elusive mysteries of the universe accessible. They are our passport to the cosmos, enabling us to journey through space without leaving the confines of our planet. With a telescope, even distant celestial bodies come within our reach. Binoculars and star charts are essential companions for any stargazer. Let's start with binoculars. While telescopes certainly have their place, binoculars offer a unique advantage. They are portable, easy to use, and perfect for beginners dipping their toes into the vast pool of astronomy. Whether you're observing the craters of the moon or tracing the path of a comet, binoculars bring the cosmos a little closer to home. Now, let's talk about star charts. These are not just maps of the night sky, but your personal guide to the cosmos. They help you identify constellations, locate planets, and even track the movement of celestial bodies. Imagine, with a star chart in hand, the night sky becomes a large-scale puzzle, waiting for you to piece together its mysteries. With binoculars and star charts in hand, the night sky becomes your own personal star map. So gear up, step outside, and let the stars guide your journey through the cosmos. Modern technology also plays a crucial role in astronomy. A myriad of astronomy apps are at our disposal, harnessing the vast power of the digital age to bring the cosmos right to our fingertips. These versatile tools are like having a planetarium in your pocket. They can help identify stars and planets, track upcoming celestial events, and even simulate the night sky from any location on our planet. But technology isn't the only essential tool. Let's not forget the timeless usefulness of a good old notebook. Whether you're sketching the surface of the moon, jotting down the coordinates of a newly discovered star, or recording the brightness of a variable star, a notebook is an astronomer's best friend. It's the perfect place to hold your observations, thoughts, and data. With technology and a good old notebook, you're fully equipped to embark on your astronomical journey. And there you have it, the essential tools of astronomy. We've journeyed through the cosmos of knowledge, exploring the many instruments that allow us to gaze into the universe's mysteries. We began with the cornerstone of astronomy, the telescope, a powerful tool that brings distant celestial objects into our view. We then ventured into the versatility of binoculars, perfect for the stargazing wanderer. Next, we navigated the night sky with star charts and planispheres, guiding us to find and identify celestial bodies. Stepping into the digital age, we harnessed the power of astronomy apps, bringing the universe to our fingertips. Finally, we highlighted the importance of a simple notebook and pen, essential for recording observations, sketches, and data. Each tool plays a significant role in our understanding of the universe, in our quest to explore the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop reaching for the stars.